Prime Minister Modi versus Manmohan Singh on the last day of campaign in Punjab. Manmohan Singh attacks Modi and his campaign. In fact, makes a massive allegation as Manmohan Singh targets the Prime Minister for hate speeches, even against farmers. Here's what he had said. Let me cut across.
घबरा गए, बोले मोदी ऐसी चीज लाया है कि मर जाएंगे। तो इन्होंने क्या किया, आनन फानन में 500 करोड़ रुपया रख करके बोल दिया कि ओआरओपी लागू। ऐसा झूठ। आप देखिए, जब मैंने इसको लागू किया, 1.25 लाख करोड़ रुपया पूर्व सैनिकों के खाते में जमा की। 1.25 लाख करोड़ रुपया तब ओआरओपी हुआ है। सिर्फ 26 जनवरी में परेड के लिए सेनाएं तैयार नहीं की जाती है, सेना लड़ाई के लिए तैयार की जाती है, दुश्मन के दांत खट्टे करने के लिए तैयार की जाती है, मां भारती की रक्षा के लिए तैयार की जाती है। लेकिन इन्होंने सेना को भी राजनीति का हथियार बना दिया है। इससे बड़ा पाप कोई नहीं कर सकता है। और मैं इंडिया अलायंस वालों को कह रहा हूं, मैं चुप बैठा हूं, इसका मतलब ये समझिए, गलती मत कीजिए मोदी को समझने की। अगर मोदी जिस दिन मुंह खोलेगा, तुम्हारी 7 पीढ़ी के पाप निकाल करके रख दूंगा।
All right, that's Prime Minister Modi there. As what he says, slamming the Congress government, saying that, almost evoking the Sikh riots, saying that this is what the Congress has done to the Sikhs, that they were burnt alive during the riots. This is the last day of campaigning in Punjab, as we clearly see Prime Minister Modi really sharpening his speech on that poll stage. It's barely a day left now for Punjab to go into polls, and Prime Minister Modi speaking on the Sikh riots, clearly saying that the Congress was the one who burnt alive Sikhs during the riots. Prime Minister Modi versus Manmohan Singh's attack back and forth. We're going to take you through what exactly Manmohan has said. In fact, on the last day of campaigning, Manmohan Singh has attacked Prime Minister Modi's campaign, making massive allegations with this regard. We're going to take you through what exactly Manmohan Singh has said as well. Modi, he says, has ruined Indian economy. Modi giving coarse hate speeches. Never before in history has a prime minister spoken in this fashion. Amit Bhardwaj joining us on the phone line. Amit, please take us through the controversy here. Modi versus Manmohan Singh election spat.
Nabila, we have not seen in this kind of controversy erupting, especially when it comes to the context of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. And now there's an appeal as well from former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. He very rarely makes such kind of political appeals, but in this particular case, this appeal comes right before the Punjab voting, and he has sort of also taken on the BJP, saying that the BJP in the past 10 years have targeted train guns at Punjab in Punjabiyat, and also a reference made to the farmers' agitation. Remember the kind of Kisan Andolan 1.4 had started from Punjab and Haryana and reached to the borders of the national capital. That had become a huge controversy, or you can say embarrassing for the BJP in context of Punjab and Haryana politics, and eventually the 3 controversial farm laws being withdrawn. Now, ahead of the polling in Punjab, you have an appeal coming from former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, in which he is targeting the BJP government, accusing them of, castigating Punjab and Punjabiyat in particular. Back to you.
All right. Well, this is Prime Minister Modi's last day of campaigning in Punjab, right? One day ahead of polling there.